So you got it off, right? Once you unscrew it, comes off, valve comes off the wall, nicely done. You can see this thing is really old. Look, made in China 11,000 years ago. This is a piece of crap. You know, I got a short circuit, and then I gotta cut my breaker off, and then I gotta cut my breaker back on just to get it. And then it stays on fan all the time. So I don't know what's going on with this damn thing, but I know it's costing me a lot of money. Right? So look at this. Alright, so take your screwdriver. You wanna. Oh, you know what? That's just something saying that it's already gonna be linked in for me. Okay. Alright. So. Alright. Bear with me. Come around the back here. You see those little things? Boom, he's going in. Line them up. Get it straight. Line it up. Put it in like that. Alright. Never shame in your game. Never shame in your game, yeah. Hold on, I'm reading that thing. And I thought it would go in and go down. But we're gonna try to let that real quick, cause hold on, let me see. Does it connect? Let me see how that connects. Okay, yeah. Yeah, it goes at the bottom from the back. Alright. Boom. Let's get that in there. What's the next one? Next one is red. Next one is white. Next to the red is white. Right. I don't want those touching at all. Okay. You want those kind of, I hate to say it, but you want those to angle up. But really, you can do it from this way. I prefer doing this from this way. It's a way better connection. You come in, go down, get on that teeth right there, and come back out. But whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. You hear me? I'm going from the top, like that, and go that way, and cut your wire. But you better go from the top, okay? Alright, come in with your yellow. You gotta straighten your points out, straighten your points out. See if you can get down there so people can see. Right down in there. And this is why we get the trusty Dusty. There we go. See how that did that for me? Yeah. See, mama? You see? Daddy.
Oh, why?
Oh, Daddy, you got it.
Oh, Daddy, you got it. The wire for yellow. So far we got red,
white,
W for white, and Y for yellow. Next is G for green.
Correctamundo. And my blue here is already pre-cut, so I guess it doesn't need it on the thing, but we're gonna try and find out. I might need my blue right here. I might not, but how they had it on that other one, I'm just going off there. They didn't use it, so If it's not being used right there, I'm just going to go off of that configuration of it not being used.
Okay.
And since that's already connected to that, so that's my red RC right there in that connection. But just to make sure that it did connect to itself, since it is extra long, I'm taking them and just wrap it into that point because I know those two are connected. The red does connect to the red RC as a double link. And it's a red, I guess red H. It's regular red on here. So the regular red is your red H. It does go to your red C. So red hot, red cold connection. So like that. See how I did that, guys? Boom. That should help you guys out a lot. Alright? When everything else, just give it like a little space if you have extra wires. I mean, you ain't gotta make yours this long, stick out like that. Me personally, I'm gonna put some tape right there in between them just to make sure that they don't ever touch in case of an earthquake. You know, or if my wife wanna get mad and try to slap it off the wall and it might touch. Let's put some wires in between that because green is ultimately ground, yellow is auxiliary, white and red. You already know. Well, yellow, that's just for program codes. And, you know, red is always hot. So it's far away from the hot, but still. And then we got a blue one over here. If we don't need it on our thing, we're going to try it right now. If we need it, it's right here. We got it. Alright. And then orange. Some houses have orange. Our furnace happen to not have an orange one coming out of it. So... yeah, I don't think we need orange. If there's an orange one on here, no, that's a red. I see no type of orange. O for orange, I see no O.
No orange.
Yellow. No orange. And if all those fail, we just put this one back on. Alright. So, put 2 batteries in here. I'm black, so you know, I ain't gonna have 2 things that match. You know, Kool-Aid, no sugar. Peanut butter, no jelly. Butter, but no toast. Alright? But I did manage to get it on. It says it's 85 degrees in here, which that is crap. There's no way it's 85 degrees in here.
It says back here, like with gas, electric, what does that mean?
What kind of heater you have?
Okay.
But we have, it's not electric, our heater is gas.
Okay.
Alright. Boom. So that's cut in place. Now, we're gonna go over here to our breaker. 1 second. I ain't gonna walk you through my house, but I'm gonna go turn the breaker on. I'll turn the breaker on. With a fresh start and a revitalised menu. Oh, you heard the air?
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Yep, it works.
About off. Is it off?
It works.
It works.
Yeah, yeah, it works, it works, it works, it works. No, I'm jumping for joy because me, no electrician, I'm just a rapper. Yeah. So that just shows you how easy it is to connect the Honeywell Home Bluetooth to your house. And I don't know why it's saying 85. I guess it probably is 85 degrees up in here.
Yeah.
And I did have the heater on earlier.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go do that. We're gonna do that. And yeah. So now I'm just buttoning back up.
Screw it.
And ooh. And I'm gonna get some putty and stuff and paint it back up and put it up in there nice. Probably gotta do that tomorrow. Because right now it's what, 12 o'clock at night?
Yeah, 12. Right now it is 12:38 a.m.
So yeah, we're gonna do that tomorrow, and that should be it. But that's how you connect the Honeywell Home. Other than that, when you do this, you're probably gonna have some holes that you gotta cover up and putty up, and but that's not too hard. You guys should be able to handle that. It's a little bit of dry rock. Alright? Like and subscribe below. This is Who Well On. Thank you for watching. We're out of here.